Most students struggle with algebra, not because it's hard, but because they are taught the slow way. What if I told you you can solve these in seconds, almost like a game? And honestly, this method, they don't really show it like this in school. Let me show you how to play with algebra instead of fighting it. Let's start with this one. 3x equals 5 over 4. Now here's the fast way. Instead of dividing, just cross the 3 down to the 4. So 3 goes to the 4, and you get 3 times 4. So 3 goes to the 4, and you get 3 times 4, and therefore x equals 5 over 12. Done. No long steps, no stress. Next one, same idea. Cross the 5 to the 7. So x equals 35. You're just moving numbers across and multiplying. When the number crosses, if it's on the bottom, it goes to the top. If it's on the top and it crosses the equal sign, it goes to the bottom. Now, how about this one? This one looks a little bit more complicated, but not at all. The 4 crosses to the 1, gets multiplied into the 1. The 3 crosses to the 5, and it gets multiplied into the 5. So now you have x equals 4 over 15. How about here? Can we cross multiply right away? No, we can't. We have to change this into improper fraction first. So 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So that becomes 4/3 equals 2x. Now all I need to do, just cross multiply the 2 into the 3, and you're going to get 4 over 6 equals x. Reduce to simplify, so you get 2/3, and therefore final answer x equals 2/3. Now, how about this? Looks more complicated. We're going to follow the same thing. So cross the 5 to the 7, and you'll end up with 2x plus 3 equals 35. Move the 3 to the other side, and you get 35 minus 3, because the 3 changes the sign. 2x equals 32. Now divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 16. You're literally just crossing and multiplying. No complicated steps. Clean, fast, done. Notice something. We are not doing long division steps. We're just crossing, multiplying, simplifying. That's it. That's why this feels like a shortcut. And after 30 years of teaching, I can tell you this. Students who learn this way start enjoying algebra, because now it feels like a pattern, not a problem. Now here's the real question. What if I gave you one like this? Could you solve it right now using this trick? Pause the video, try it, and then watch again from the start. You'll see it even faster the second time. This will not only help you in math, it will help you in physics and chemistry. Cross, multiply. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your answer for this question, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Till next time, bye-bye.